Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to stop automatically backup files to OneDrive in Windows 11. Microsoft's OneDrive is one cloud-based service that can be created and managed by Microsoft. When you install Windows 11, you get installed file storage and syncing service, and it allows you to backup, sync, and retrieve your photos, files, and other data across all of your OneDrive-connected devices. Open File Explorer. Look for OneDrive on the left side list. Right-click on it. Choose Show More Options. Select Settings from the list. A new window will open. Go to Backup tab. Click on Manage Backup. A new window will open. Go to Desktop option. Click on Stop Backup. Click on Stop Backup again. Click on Close. Go to Documents option. Click on Stop Backup. Click on Stop Backup again. Click on Close. Go to Pictures option. Click on Stop Backup. Click on Stop Backup again. Click on Close. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!